Consumer cellular phones receive two main types of updates: system updates from the device manufacturer and carrier updates from Consumer Cellular. System updates come from the device manufacturer, like Google for Android devices or Apple for iOS. These updates provide bug fixes, new features, and important security enhancements that protect your device from threats. Carrier updates are provided by Consumer Cellular itself. These updates optimize your phone's performance on the network, add carrier-specific features like Wi-Fi calling, and ensure compatibility with Consumer Cellular's 5G enhancements. Keeping both types of updates current is essential for your phone's security, performance, and access to the latest features, including 5G improvements and AI-driven optimizations. As of 2025, most updates are delivered over the air or OTA, which means they download automatically through your cellular or Wi-Fi connection, making the update process simple and convenient. Before updating, ensure your phone has at least 50% battery. Connect to Wi-Fi to avoid data charges and back up your important data. To check for system updates on an Android phone, go to Settings, then System Update. On an iPhone, navigate to Settings, then General, then Software Update. Choose Update Now or Update Tonight. For carrier updates, your phone will often prompt you automatically, but you can also check Consumer Cellular's website for specific instructions for your device model. After the update, clear your phone's cache and test key features like making calls and using data. Remember that older devices may not receive all updates, and it's essential to keep your device as current as possible for security and optimal performance.